How to download Omegle app for Android. So if you want to download Omegle app for your Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser at first. Now, once you open up your browser, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for omegle.com or just simply search for Omegle TV. And here you will have the Ome TV, right? So you just need to simply tap on it. Once you tap on the first website, now you just need to simply go with the option of get it on Google Play. And here you will have the Ome TV. You can simply go and install the application. But the other thing you can do is just go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon. And from here, you will have an option of add this page to home screen. You just need to simply tap on add to home screen and then tap on add and tap on add automatically. And that's it. Now the shortcut has been added. Now if you go back and remove it from the background, you can see that you will have the Ome TV, which is right here. So that's how you can download your Omegle app for your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.